Xander, are you a baby bird?
There's some broccoli. Ready?
Is that yummy?
Yeah.
So you can see a lot of birds now.
Oh, thank you for coughing right in everything. Ready? Ready?
You were the silliest kid I ever
I
knew.
don't know where that started or why. They're pretty yummy.
Max, did you know the Xander's actually a bird?
Yes.
Yeah, I'll
Yeah.
prove it to you.
Why is he like a human?
Because
Ready?
he's eating like a baby bird.
Yeah.
At least he doesn't expect me to chew it for him.
Yeah, it's true. Alright, I love you guys.
Yeah, and Daddy's like the mama bird, but he's the daddy bird.
Mm-hmm. True.
A lot of times, the mommy gets the food for the baby.
That's the baby
and
equivalent of yelling, cut.
a couple times.
I love you guys.
Maybe the daddy bird would only get food if there was another baby, so the mom would get food before the other baby.
Maybe.
No problem.
If the
Oh,
daddy
wait, there's one little piece. Ready for this?
the baby feed, the daddy feed.